I recently bought this Bird A-frame e-bike. I got it on Amazon. I got a good deal, under $800. This bike uses a Gates CD and belt drive. One really big problem with this bike, the belt drive right out of the box, it sounded like this. There are a couple other YouTube videos that show this problem and how to fix it. I'm not sure that their repairs actually fix the problem. On my bike, it was a combination of a loose free hub and a misaligned belt. I was able to fix mine in under 10 minutes. Here's how I did it. To remove the rear wheel, use an 18mm wrench to loosen the nuts. Disconnect the electrical connector and lift the wheel out. You'll need a free hub tool to tighten down the lock ring for the free hub. I used a Park Tools FR 5.2. Any similar tool should work. I had forgotten to record the actual tightening of that free hub. Here's a recreation. Mine was quite loose. Now that the free hub is tight, we need to adjust the back wheel. There are two bolts that allow the dropouts to move forward and backward. Loosen those with a 4mm Allen wrench. There is a bolt in each dropout that allows you to adjust the rear wheel. This can be used to move the wheel slightly side to side, as well as tension the belt. I adjusted each bolt until the gap was the same on both sides, and I had about ½ inch deflection in the belt when pushed in the middle. That ensures that the wheel is properly aligned and the belt is correctly tensioned. So after tightening down the free hub and adjusting the belt, the noise is completely gone. If you own one of these bikes and you're having this belt noise, hopefully this fixes your problem. If you don't own one of these bikes and you're curious about it, keep an eye on my channel. In a couple days, I'm going to have a full review out in great detail. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.